Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on my channel and occasionally an unboxing. In today's video we are unboxing something that was actually the first ever thing that was ever gifted to me, which is mad. I think because I hit 1,000 subscribers I might have gone onto their radar a little bit. So I am unboxing a face mask subscription service, so you can either buy 5 sheet masks for $9.95 or 7 sheet masks for $12.95. But yeah, they asked if they could give me a box of sheet masks to unbox on my channel, and then also there's a little code for you guys. So the code is FMC10. So I will put the code here and I'll also put it in the description box. I cannot believe I am unboxing something that I was gifted. I'm just blown away by it, proper blown away by it. So yeah, let's open it. It comes in this pink little box. I actually don't know what's in here or anything like that. They just said that they will send me something, and it's sheet masks. It isn't like any other type of face masks. They are all sheet masks, which to be fair, they're the only type of masks that I use. So this is another reason I said yes to them. They're affordable. They're something I will use. So when brands do reach out for me, I get a lot of jewellery ones at the moment that are reaching out to me and they're like, oh, we'll give you 3 pieces of jewellery, but can you promote it to your followers? But then the jewellery is really expensive and I won't buy that jewellery. So if I'm not going to buy it, I'm not going to promote it to you guys. So yeah, I would buy something like this. So I definitely am promoting it to you guys because I cannot believe it. It's my first item that was ever gifted to me. So I'm going to cherish this, and I love the fact that it's in a pink box. This is the logo. The logo is so cute. So yeah, let's just open it. Oh, this is what the packaging looks like, and they've written a little note. It says, "Hi Lizzie, great to work with you. Hope you love your masks." It's so cute. I just love the personal touches. I love their logo, like literally love it. I'm sorry, but I've got to take a picture of this before we continue. When you open it, you are greeted with your mask. So it's got this pink tissue paper and then all your masks. There's also like little stars in the packaging. Little stars like this. So cute, so cute. They've given me 7 masks. Bloody incredible. Like, I live for sheet masks. And so the first one we have is my Juicy Bottle mask. This is a firming one. And look at that. It's so cute. It's all written in another language. I think it's Korean, to be fair, because usually a lot of these masks are Korean. But then there is English at the bottom, which is good. So it's just showing you that you do what you should do with a mask, is you put it on, leave it on for a little while, relax, and then when you're done, pat in the extra serum, which is what I do. And it actually says in there how to use them, any cautions. I love the packaging on this. This is the second mask. This is by the brand Beauty Idea Diary. It's got lavender in it and it's a moisturizing black mask. Oh, that sounds really cute. I'm very excited to try this one, seeing as it's got lavender in it. This would be a nice one before bedtime because lavender is meant to be calming and soothing. So like, definitely if you pick this one up, I say I'm gonna try it before I go to bed and see if it just relaxes me, because lavender is meant to relax you. This one is so cute. Look at it. Oh my god, that one is so cute. This is by the brand Orchid Flower. It's an orchid flower moisture mask. I've never actually tried anything that's got orchid flower in, so it's meant to be a cooling one. That's good. You know, sometimes when I really do my skincare routine, when I do like my blackheads removal, sometimes I do have my skin can get quite red and like really dry. So this kind of mask will be perfect, because once I do my facial, there's a little star on there. I do need something to hydrate my skin again, and this one, that seems like that would be perfect. I just love the attention to detail. I'm going to keep saying "ooh" for all of these. The next one is a Real Bamboo Essence Mask. This one is calming and moisturizing. Look at that. Real bamboo, you know. I'm excited to try that. Should I like have a sneak smell of it? 'Cause Oh, it smells really nice. Do you know what I'm going to do is when I've used these, maybe in like an empties video, I'll update you about how I got on with them. We've got a fresh pomegranate one. I hate saying the word pomegranate. When I went to Cyprus, was it pomegranates? Yeah, we had a pomegranate tree and we made pomegranate juice. It was so good. This one doesn't actually say what it's meant to do for your skin, but I'm very, very intrigued to see what this one does because I did like that pomegranate juice. We have a tomato one. That must be so weird. I wonder if it's like red or anything. So this is from the brand May Island. It's written down here. Sorry, the pomegranate one is from 3W Clinic and the real bamboo one is from Farm Stay. So they all are different brands. This one says made in Korea as well. I assume a lot of these are Korean masks, so I'm very intrigued to try them because I've never actually tried face masks from Korea, I don't think. We've got the last one, which is a cucumber mask. These are excellent. Like I said, like after I've done my skincare routine, I really need something, like when I've given myself a facial, I need something to cool my skin because sometimes it can be a little bit red. Definitely now that I've got a cucumber one and that bamboo one, I'm definitely like stocked up for cooling. Again, this is by the brand Farm Stay, and if you guys don't know what a sheet mask is, it's just something that has serum in it, and it's like basically a mask for your face. You put it over, there's holes for your mouth and your nose and your eyes and all that, and it's just the best thing ever. You put it on your skin for about 15 minutes, and then when you take it off, the serum you can like pat into your skin. I usually take the rest of the serum out of the packet and like pat it into my skin and then wait for it to dry, and then I'll put my moisturizer on. Best thing ever. Your skin will thank you for it. That is all the face masks in this little box. I've stocked up for face masks. 7 is quite good because usually I would use them 1 a week. I have kind of gone back off of my facials, so I need to start them back up again, and I'm definitely going to be using these masks. I'll use them in vlogs so I can show you what they're like, and then also I'm planning an empties in about a month or so. So yeah, in May there'll be an empties video and I can talk about the masks even more then. So thank you to Face Masks UK for sending me this box. I'm absolutely over the moon that I've been gifted something. So again, let me just reiterate that these boxes are either £9.95 for 5 masks or £12.95 for 7 masks. You can get free shipping if you don't want to pay for Express. Express is £2.99, so literally you can cancel at any time. It's such a good subscription service. Like, I feel like I need to join up. Once I've used these masks, I'm definitely going to look into getting more. I am so happy and so over the moon to have these masks, and thank you again, and thank you to everyone. This video would not have been possible without you, so again, thank you. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it wasn't too all over the place, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.